Hello, and welcome to this MindFusion tutorial, which walks you through the basic steps of creating and customizing a report with the WinForms report component. Let's create a new project in Visual Studio. The form must be bigger, and we need to add a new item of type MindFusion Report. This item would appear automatically in your Visual Studio items list when you install MindFusion WinForms report component. Let's show the Data Sources tab. For the purpose of this sample, we will use the Northwind sample database. No need to copy the database to our project. We'll get all fields from the category and products tables. We build the project, which refreshes the toolbox items, and now we can see the adapters for our tables appear in the Project Components section in the toolbox. A right-click on the report form brings up the Data Range from Dataset menu. We navigate through the fields that we want to see in the data range. As you see, they are here. Let's resize and rearrange them a bit to make the report easier to read. The category name shall be bold. Now in the code behind the file, we must actually fill the two table adapters with data from the data set. We drop a report viewer on the form we've initially created. We choose the report component from the toolbox and drop it on the form. Now we must bind the report viewer with this particular instance of the report we've created. Let's build and run the report. Fine, but simple. Let's make it more elaborate with a new data range, this time with a header. That's going to be a nested data range, so we place it inside the first one. A key setting here is the Master Detail Relationship field, which specifies how the two tables that participate in the two data ranges are related. In the Solution Explorer, we find the XSD file that describes the table relationship, and we copy its ID as value to the Master Detail Relationship field. The report looks better, but it definitely needs some styling. First, let's make the rows with alternating colors for better reading. Then, let's change the background of the header as well. White letters look better on the blue background. The Verdana font is more suitable for the report. A beige background would look better on each report section. Pale beige. And a small margin to offset the image would be good. Do you see how items from one category spill to the next page if there isn't enough space to list all of them? It would be better if space was not enough for all items to be listed, to list them on a separate page. To achieve this, we set Allow Split to false. If we make the rows smaller, we'll have space for each category on a page. Now, let's add a header. The header has a label in it with some styling. It is printed on each page, but does not look very well placed. Its left location and size could be set in relative units, which will guarantee it will show right on any page size. Actually, we don't need the header printed on all pages, so we changed its visibility to first page. And that was all for now. Thank you for watching, and thank you for considering MindFusion.